Na céad déine ar Scoil Samhraidh Mhic Reachtain I dtuaisceart Bhéal Feirste gach bliain le snása chur ar Gaiscéalcha agus le solta winch as an chláir leathan imeachtaí. Thug mu duine, nuach dé sa chathair, cuairt an Scoil agus a lón idirnáisiúnta ar siúl.
Well, bhí lón aontaite as an nniuthagainn, bhí na cétaí daoine láthair ina measc an óid bhí an taire cultúr Nelson McCausland agus curúg fáilte ribh mar ag Common culture of a Reachtain, Curramid's falcher of gach duine is come a Ken Coolra, tan Rudshaw Lunnihe in sa Changa, agus in sa culture, agus in sa charges.
I'm pleased to accept the invitation from the Cracken Summer School to come along and to see their programme for this year. It's part of the cultural diversity of Northern Ireland. The summer schools, and this is one of a small number that we have in Northern Ireland, they are a significant contribution to the cultural activity over the summer. And as you can see from the activity here today, it's a colourful, enjoyable experience for all the folk who come along. Very, very good attendance, a very varied programme over the week, and a great credit to the organisers.
We saw you there dancing away with Artura playing on the bongos. Did you enjoy that?
I restricted myself to playing the drum. I think the dancing was probably a bit beyond me.
Agus an nniu go dtíreach bhí ceilreúin, bhí daoine an as Mexico, as Colombia, as Libya, as an Chín agus as an Chapine.
Clár an agrithe chutha maith acu tá sreith rangana an rangana oran de gach level ó daine atá fólam ón tús go dtí level atá ar level oscaile. Comáil sin tá imachtaí an a lára lé, tá imachtaí an tróna, beidir níos mó na imachta bháin, bíonn imachtaí táachtacha an mar Cuairt ceol, taispan scananaíocht, bíonn dínear mór acu, bíonn ihe airne le bháin ar a léad acu, tá cingill de patrún acu inis. Agus bíonn daoine a dúil leis na rudaí seo.
Agus brisket. Okay, so Cuairt sin é. So, caidé sin? Sin penta, caidé sin? Caidé sin?
Tan rang gomoy. I decided to come here because when my friends are speaking Irish, I feel a wee bit left out. So they seem to be having great crack, going away off on trips and speaking Irish in the bar, and I just want to do that as well. So you have to start somewhere.
This is the first time I've come because I came because my son speaks Irish, and I just wanted to be able to speak some Irish when he and his friends are in the house and just greet them and talk to them and ask them what they'd like for dinner and things like that, and just join in a little bit more, because when they're speaking they are very good and they stop speaking Irish and they start to speak English, and I feel that they should be able to speak in Irish and I should be able to speak Irish with them. So that's why I've come, and it's brilliant, absolutely really enjoying it, really enjoying the teaching. Teaching's really high standard, and lovely people, brilliant day, and loads of things on in the evening to do as well. So I'm really enjoying it. Really glad I came.